From clunky step counters to smart everything, wearable tech has been on a wild ride. But how did we go from tracking steps to practically having a doctor, coach, and personal assistant strapped to our wrists? It all started with simple fitness trackers, counting steps, checking heartbeats. But then, tech leveled up. Bluetooth came in hot, making your phone and watch BFFs, while GPS turned your run into a virtual treasure map. Today, we've got smartwatches that text your crush and count your squats, AR glasses that slap digital info on the real world, and even smart shirts. Yes, your t-shirt can now track your heart rate. Who needs pockets anymore? But the future? It's bananas. AI will soon predict your health moves better than your mom. Biosensors will track stuff like blood glucose and smart fabrics. They're about to turn your wardrobe into a high-tech wellness hub. Wearables aren't just gadgets. They're becoming part of you. So ready to wear the future?